Stop losing sales when products run out. Hello? In this quick guide, we will learn how to use the Back In Stock Notifier module in Shop Builder to auto-notify customers and recover revenue in your WooCommerce store. The Back In Stock Notifier module lets customers subscribe to waitlist and receive automated email alerts the moment their desired item is available. So, if you want to explore the benefits of Shop Builder's Back In Stock Notifier for your WooCommerce store, then let's watch the full tutorial with full attention. So, without any delay, let's start. For this, in the very beginning, go to the plugin of your dashboard. Then make sure you have installed and activate the Shop Builder plugin along with Shop Builder Pro because of this premium feature. Then go to the Shop Builder, navigate to the settings, click on modules and find Back In Stock Notifier. Enable this option, and according to the front-end form settings on product pages, admins can activate the module and customize all front-end text from out of stock headings to already in waitlist alerts. They can change email input labels, placeholders, submit button text, and a customizable success message. Beside this, the Enable Privacy Checkout option is also included. Save all this. And now let's check how our single product page looks. Here you can see our out of stock message is shown along with the waitlist message. There is an email option as well as a privacy checkbox. If the admin wants, they may choose not to use this option. Just go to the settings and disable the option. It will no longer appear. Let's go back to the single product page and check the appearance. Here you go. The privacy checkbox has disappeared after disabling it. Now back to the settings again. To go to reCAPTCHA. From here, you can enable the reCAPTCHA option, which means you can add reCAPTCHA protection to prevent spam submissions. So it depends on you whether you want to disable or enable it. Then comes email template management. Administrators can activate and customize subscription, admin, and restock email templates with unique subject lines and body content. This ensures real-time tracking of new waitlist entries and instant recovery notifications once items are back in stock. Let's enable it. You can provide email subject and the body part looks like this. If you enable this template, you can set the admin email address as the admin email recipient. Then customize the subject and body as you like. The same process applies to the Back In Stock email. Then save it. Now go to the style customization. The wrapper and button styles allow admins to design the container's layout and spacing using minimum height, padding, and border properties. They can fully personalize button typography and colors, including hover states. For example, you can customize the background color, border color, border width, border radius, as well as padding and margin. And for the button style, from here you can individually customize font size, background color, text color, border width, etc. Let's save the changes and visit the page to see it. Here it is. Now we will talk about Notify Me form on out of stock product page. When a product is unavailable, shoppers are greeted with a clean branded subscription form directly on the product page. Customers simply enter their email address and agree to the privacy policy to join waitlist. Now let's see how the confirmation email looks. Let's click on this email first. This is the subscription confirmation email. There is a subject and a proper email body where you will find the product name and a link to view the product. Now let's check how the admin notification email looks. Here you will find the customer's email address, product name, product link, and the date. Now go to the WooCommerce from your dashboard and then Back In Stock Notifier. Here you will find the Advanced Statistics report. The Statistics section provides high-level metrics on active users, waitlist, and notified user list. Admin can also access a detailed email report log featuring product image, recipient details, and precise timestamps for full notification transparency. This is the comprehensive waitlist table. From this table, admins can view all active waitlists, monitor the number of users waiting per product, track notification status, and perform actions like manually triggering alerts or deleting a waitlist from one central location. Now we will work on Back In Stock Notifier. From here, click on a product for a quick edit. You can further change the product title and the product availability status. After updating the changes, visit the single product page. Reload it, and you'll see it here. Along with this, you'll receive a Back In Stock email notification. The Back In Stock Notifier module transforms out of stock frustration into a loyalty building opportunity. Let's see this. By clicking this link, you will be able to take into that specific product by keeping interested shoppers on a wait list and notifying them automatically. After properly setting up and customizing the Back In Stock Notifier settings as needed, the waiting list table and statistic report will appear like this. Thank you for watching today's tutorial.